The professor will be late due to a conference overseas. The professor will be late due to a conference overseas. The lecture on economic policy has been rescheduled. The lecture on economic policy has been rescheduled. There is a strict limit on the number of class absences. There is a strict limit on the number of class absences. Students must complete all assignments before the deadline. Students must complete all assignments before the deadline. The university offers exchange programs with several countries. The university offers exchange programs with several countries. New developments in technology are transforming education. New developments in technology are transforming education. Your summary should be clear, concise, and well-structured. Your summary should be clear, concise, and well-structured. Some students find writing essays particularly challenging. Some students find writing essays particularly challenging. The seminar will now take place in Lecture Hall C. The seminar will now take place in Lecture Hall C. Our university library opens daily from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Our university library opens daily from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. DNA sequencing has revolutionized genetic research. DNA sequencing has revolutionized genetic research. The Internet has transformed the way we access information. The Internet has transformed the way we access information. New materials are being developed for sustainable construction. New materials are being developed for sustainable construction. Robotics is an emerging field with huge potential. Robotics is an emerging field with huge potential. Climate change remains a global scientific challenge. Climate change remains a global scientific challenge. Solar panels convert sunlight into usable electricity. Solar panels convert sunlight into usable electricity. Artificial intelligence impacts many sectors, including healthcare. Artificial intelligence impacts many sectors, including healthcare. Data is being analyzed using powerful computer algorithms. Data is being analyzed using powerful computer algorithms. The research was based on long-term field observations. The research was based on long-term field observations. Vaccines have proven to be highly effective in disease prevention. Vaccines have proven to be highly effective in disease prevention. Inflation is influenced by various external and internal factors. Inflation is influenced by various external and internal factors. The marketing department is launching a new campaign. The marketing department is launching a new campaign. Global trade agreements impact local economic policies. Global trade agreements impact local economic policies. Supply and demand determine market pricing. Supply and demand determine market pricing. Financial statements must be accurate and up to date. Financial statements must be accurate and up to date.